All right, we're doing it. We're cooking dinner, and this is all of the kitchen that I have. I have boiling water, I have some pasta, I have a camp stove, and some broccoli, and a whole pile of towels. So I'm doing this because it's laundry day, and I put all of my clothes in the laundry place. It's fucking freezing outside, and it's Portugal, so you can't have food ever. They just don't do that. Lid on. Cover it in towels. Just all the towels from the room. And then also a sleeping bag. Time is 10:25. All right, that's been a little while. Let's see. Well, it tastes like shit because it's plain pasta and broccoli, but it's cooked. Oh yeah. Oh, beautiful.